Yo, what up, y'all? It's Nick, and we're gonna be installing a screen protectors for the 4Runner today. So, in this Screen Protect Kit, it'll be covering the 14-inch main display, the HVAC display, as well as the heated and cooled seat buttons, and then it'll protect your Prindle screen or indicator, 4 low, 4 high, and 2 high indicator, and your gauge cluster. So it comes with this spray bottle. I'm assuming we're going to need that for the application solution. Cleaning towel. It looks really nice.
It's very high quality.
And that's it. And then all the film. So when you order from Screen Protect, you have an option to get a second set at the time of purchase in case you mess up. So I did that just in case you mess up or we mess up. But I think it'll be easy, so we shouldn't have to worry. So first, what you want to do here is clean the area that you're gonna apply the protector to, the spray bottle. Spray it one more time to get it wet. Spray your fingers so that you don't get your finger grease on the protector, and peel back the protector, spray it some more, and start to position the protector onto the area. Messed up here, made it a little too wet. As you'll see, I'll have trouble squeegeeing out all the water there, so you can go overboard. Just be careful. It'll take a long time if you have too much water there. But also you have to be careful that you have enough water there. So I cleaned some away and got it to where I liked it. Just squeegee out all the air bubbles. And now we'll repeat the same thing everywhere else. Working on the HVAC display is a little bit more difficult because you have the shift lever in the way, but same concept. Spray away, position the way you like it, squeegee all the water out. Now for the big boy, the infotainment display. Spray the thing down, position it. This one, it's a little bit more difficult just because it's such a big piece, but just take your time, be patient, and if you have to redo it, you can redo it. Just take it off, spray again, and reposition. Now for the driver's display. This is really hard just because you have to work between the steering wheel, and I was running out of light, so I had to use a flashlight and get some help. Back here on the next day because the install took a little longer than I thought it would, and it was nighttime by the time we finished, so had to come back the next day. I went with the matte finish on the infotainment display. That way, all the sun glare doesn't reflect too much off of this really big screen. And I think it shows pretty well on camera that it is matte, but then when you turn on the screen, it still looks normal. So I think the matte's gonna help a lot with shut up with the all that sun glare that could come from the sunroof or from your windows. And then yeah, all the other ones, the clarity is really nice, I think. Can't even tell it's there until you touch it. Feels definitely feels like there's a screen protector there, but you know, who cares? You're not touching that every day. At least it won't get scratched up. A little bit difficult because it does tuck up into the bezel, so getting the bubbles out to the edges is a little bit more difficult. Um, you'll see it in the B-roll. You know, there's some bubbles up here in the corner, and I got a little bubble down there on the edge. But again, you can't even tell it's there, so not too bad. I forgot to mention that at the time that I ordered the screen protector, the 4Runner didn't have a full kit available on their website. So I ordered the Tacoma kit, which, as y'all know, the interiors on the 4Runner and the Tacoma are pretty much the same. You just need to make sure you get the right one for your car. So I have the premium large 14-inch display. You just need to make sure you spec that out correctly. So overall, I would recommend getting the screen protector packages for your 4Runner. Um, yeah, I think it's pretty worth it for $60. You know, don't really have fingerprints on here. You're for sure gonna protect all the glass that you have in the car. So overall, really worth it.